Oh, hello, MTV Cribs, or is this, I mean, YouTube? Come on in, come on. Watch your step. Welcome to my crib. This is my new house. I'm so excited to share with you guys. This is the front door. It's very echoey. There's nothing in this house yet. Front door, we have this beautiful wooden door. You know I love my wood. Needs a little bit of refinishing, but we'll get there. Some gray flooring you'll see in the front entryway, which I hate. I don't like gray, and you'll see quite a lot of gray throughout this house. Anyways, follow me in this way. Come down here. Note the really awesome, what's that called? Air return vent thing?
Air vent?
Air vent, yeah. Aren't those
duct?
Sick? They're cool, eh? Come on in. Welcome to my kitchen. This is where I will eat a lot of fruit gushers. Michael probably will eat a lot of Kraft dinner. This is my sink and my window. There's lots of little cupboards here. Really cute little, I actually really like these cabinet updates. Favorite part about this is the ceiling. Take a look up here. I think the ceiling is super duper cool. I love it. It's sort of like a wainscoting type thing. We got some pot lights going on. This is our fridge. It's built for people that don't eat, I assume. I don't know. Like, it's tiny. Like, where am I gonna fit all my seitan wings? Not here. So we have to get a new fridge, because if you can see, this has no freezer. So we're gonna be getting a new fridge that fills up this space a lot better. Yeah, cute little vintage stove I actually love, believe it or not. I know most people would not, but I think it's super cute. Reminds me of like a stove we had in Joshua Tree once. Like I said, lots of storage here. Fake butcher block counter. Not a huge fan of this. This is like vinyl, but we will be actually replacing this with the real butcher block sometime soon. You'll notice over here there's sort of this like island type thing. We're gonna take these down, so this is open. We're gonna put a bigger countertop to here, little bar stools here. We have like a little eating kitchen. So then if you wanna come in here, stay there cameraman. Try to get a full view of this space. Huge. This space is huge. This is the mud room. Come on in, let me show you around. Here we have a little pantry situation, which there's gonna be such a cool video. There's a rack here for coats. I kind of think it's too big. I think we could do half pantry, half winter coats. I love this. This is basically where the dogs are gonna come inside. They're gonna come in this door. I'm gonna wipe their little paws, and then they can go inside, and only in here will be a mess. This is the backyard. We're not going there. No, not yet. You can come into the dining room off the kitchen. Beautiful paneling wall that I really like. Nice window over here. I hate gray flooring, you guys. I hate gray. This house is all gray. All gray, but it's okay. This is the beautiful dining room where we will probably never eat, because
where else are we gonna eat? So
on the couch.
Yeah.
Coming in here is the living room.
More gray.
More gray flooring, more gray. We're gonna do a cool little fireplace here. It's gonna be awesome. Another window, and then as you come through this doorway, you have to dance through it. This is the front door area again. So, stairs, stairwell. I'm literally just telling them what they're looking at, and they know. These are the stairs. Want to take a look at these stairs? They also painted the stairs gray, just in case, you know, you weren't having enough gray. There's more gray.
I don't mind gray.
I think here would be a really great spot for a plant. I think it's so, like, gets a lot of light. Nice plant. I don't know what kind of plant. Someone tell me a plant down below that would do good with this light. So coming upstairs, the first door right here is the bathroom. You'll notice the bathroom is incredibly small. Very, very tiny. You could probably wash your hands while doing the thing. There's a mirror here that opens to, oh God, they did not clean that. We are going to be making this bathroom bigger. So we're going to be expanding it. We're going to keep the clawfoot tub, but we're going to add a shower in time. So run across the hall, Come in here. Bedroom number 1. Biggest closet in this one. It's a walk-in. I can walk into it.
It's dark.
It's dark, I know.
There you go, you're back.
It's really small though, it's not actually a walk-in. Did you catch my joke? It was funny.
Yes, she walked in.
My biggest complaints about this house is these beautiful hardwood, original hardwood floors that they painted. Look at these beautiful handles though, I love these. Which one? This one?
This one.
Or this one? Which one?
This one.
This one. It's pretty much the same size as the one we were just in. It's a 3-bedroom house. They painted everything gray. This closet, you could also consider it a walk-in. But only I can fit in it. Okay, come on over here. This is the master. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna extend the bathroom. Okay? Bathrooms now gonna be nice and big. This room and that room, they're all going to be one big master bedroom.
Door.
Yeah. And there'll be
Room.
like a walk-in closet. We have ideas, we have plans, we're very excited. Yeah.
Don't forget our other walk-in closet.
Oh yes. This is the tiny closet. Like we were just saying earlier, why did each room need a tiny closet? You could just have one room with like a decent sized closet. Let's run to the backyard. Open up this door and you are led out to the nice little porch. Wow, little porch. Not much to say. It's not as big as we wanted, but we still really like it, and it's gonna be great for the puppies. And yeah, we have this garage. Come to the garage.
We're coming.
This is the garage. This is where hopefully my Jeep will go, so that I can keep the top off of it. There's some really cool shelving here, kind of 70s, kind of like it. But my favorite part about the garage is the garage door. The entire garage door, it's on a pulley system. So you just pull it like this. Yeah, so that's the cool garage door pulley system. So now I'm gonna close it. But there's still basement, so come back inside. Back in the kitchen, let's head downstairs to the basement, which is kind of a little dingy right now, but we're gonna brighten this up.
It's mine.
We're gonna put new carpet, not carpet, but new, to rip up this carpet. So coming into the basement, there's this weird storage unit thing here, which we are going to make into some beautiful storage. It's super weird. It's like this tunnel, I don't know. We're gonna make this into beautiful storage, but if you come in here, beautiful, beautiful room. And Michael has informed me he's going to paint this to look like a hockey arena.
Oh yeah.
I will never be down here, so this is the only time you're gonna see it. Just kidding, there's a laundry room, which needs so much love. Like, we got new washer and dryer coming that we've ordered. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna get some IKEA countertops. We're gonna make this all white. It's gonna be great for like, you know, folding laundry and stuff like that. We're gonna get this floor in. We're gonna spray this white. It's hurting right now, but it's okay. We're gonna make it nice.
I probably won't make a hockey rink.
What? You told me you were. Oh, your head.
I'll get in too much trouble.
No, you can do it. Let's see the outro here.
She won't say that, not on camera.
Look, I'm much prettier on that side.
Me too. I'm ugly on this side.
Thank you guys for watching. We're so excited to take you guys on the journey of decorating this home, making it our own, and yeah, we're just really, really excited. So hope you guys enjoyed this empty house tour. We are moving in tomorrow. It's so hot.
Really?
What?
I'm moving tomorrow.
He's packed. Okay, love you guys. Bye.